Hi guys, so today we're going to be unboxing my February's BoxyCharm. Here's what it looks like. If you are unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, it is a monthly subscription that you pay $21 a month and you get 5 to 6 full-size products to try out for the month. It's an awesome subscription box and I highly recommend it if you haven't signed up for it. I think there might be a waiting list at this point, but if there's ever a time that the waiting list is lifted, I would highly suggest it. Alright, let's get right into the February BoxyCharm. This month's BoxyCharm theme is called Galaxy Glow. Here's what it looks like there. And like you get a 25% off coupon for CoverFX. So I'll leave that code down below in the description if any of you guys are interested. All right, the first thing I have here is a 3-pack of crown brushes. So it says this pack of 3 is a total of $29.99, so it's a very expensive pack of brushes. I'm not going to pull them out. As you guys know, I'm now doing a bunch of giveaways every month, and so I'm not going to be opening any of the items that are in any of my boxes, just for in case I want to include them in my giveaways. The next thing we have here is a pure... What is this? It smells like coconut. I think that's a lipstick or a chapstick. Let's see. It's from Pure the Complexion Authority. It's a lip exfoliator. It's $17 if you bought it at the store, and it has sugar in it, 4-in-1 lip sculpting pencil exfoliate, plumps, hydrates, and smooth. So this is really cool. Actually, I love to use, before I go to bed at night, I always exfoliate my lips with either an e.l.f. lip exfoliator, or I have some other like potted lip exfoliators. So this will be really nice to give a try. It smells really pretty. This is one that I probably will try and keep and see how that works out. All right, next I have a CoverFX. What is this? Well, what is this? This is pretty. Shimmer veil. I don't know what a shimmer veil is from CoverFX. This is what it looks like. Okay, so this reminds me of like the ones that I have from e.l.f. That I use every once in a while, or like the Stila glitter type things. This looks more like it has like little particles and glitter in it, so this is going to be something really cool to try out. Definitely a cream based. Oh, that's really pretty. So that's what that looks like. I hope you can just pick it up with my lighting there. Very shiny, very pretty. I'm excited to try that. Actually, I think one of the girls that I watched in Unboxers got the same one. So that's exactly what that is. It's an eyeshadow like cream that you put in the center of your eye or all over the lid to add like some shine. That's really pretty. It has a really pretty like shift in it. It's really pretty. I like that. So that's going to be one that I'm excited to try out. That one is $28 if you bought that by itself. All right, next I have is from Ofra Cosmetics, and it is a blush Winter Rose Glow. So this is a blush from Ofra. This blush is $12 if you bought it at the retail store. It's kind of a shimmery blush, but it's really pretty. I have a ton of blushes, so this of course is going to be going right into the giveaway along with some other stuff that I'm going to be giving away. So that'll be nice for one of you guys to try this out. If I didn't have a huge collection of blushes, I would totally keep this, but I just don't need it because I have a million blushes. So this will be nice for one of you guys to try out, I think. And last but not least is, oh no, I have 2 more items in here. I have an Ofra, I can't even say that word, palette. So this is a $19 price, and this is just kind of like your Z palettes. It's another thing. It's kind of cool because they give you the blush to put inside of it. So of course, like I said, both of these will be going into the giveaway, so that's pretty awesome. I have plenty of Z palettes, so I don't need another one, but I'm sure somebody out there that doesn't have one would be really happy to get one, especially with all the new shadows that you can get from like ColourPop or Makeup Geek. There's a bunch of different companies that sell single shadows, and these are awesome to use for that. So that will be included in the giveaway at some point. All right, so the last thing I have here is a eyeliner from Vintage Cosmetics. It looks like this. It's just your standard regular pencil eyeliner, and it's in black. It's a $21 eyeliner. So again, it's something that I'll definitely be putting into the giveaway at some point. $21. So this is a pencil liner for $21. This better be magical. Jessika's richly pigmented smoky eye pencil. Soft and glides in with a no tug. Okay. So it's just an eyeliner. It's really pretty, but it's just a regular pencil eyeliner. In my opinion, I would never pay $21 for a pencil eyeliner. That's just, I mean, my thoughts. Unless it's like, you know, an Urban Decay, or if it's, you know, Marc Jacobs. But okay, so that's a pencil eyeliner. I have plenty of black liners, and I will be giving this away as well. So all right, guys, that was everything that I got in my February BoxyCharm. Let's go ahead and add that up today and see what we got. So my box this month added up to $126.99, which is an awesome price for $21 a month. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you have any questions about BoxyCharm. I'm always happy to answer any of those questions, and tell you what my thoughts are on the box, and if I think that it's something that you should pick up. I do. I absolutely love BoxyCharm, and I always leave it in the description how to get BoxyCharm. It is a link that offers me points, so if you click on that link and you buy BoxyCharm through them, I end up getting some points off of my next purchase to BoxyCharm. If you don't want to use that link, you can always just go right onto BoxyCharm itself and sign up there. So I hope you guys have a great afternoon. Let me know if you have any questions, and I shall talk to you guys later. Bye bye.